Oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, 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 no. Dad, you need to throw away the ornaments. They're banned.
I am not throwing them away. The elves worked very hard on making them.
Then hide them, but you could get in trouble.
The government never comes and checks on us, Cassie. They know we follow the rules, most of the time.
Santa, the government is here to make sure we're following the ornament band.
Reindeer droppings. Cassie, go stall them. Evie, help me hide the ornaments.
Hello, sir. I'm Cassie, Santa's daughter. Before you can go see Santa, we're gonna check to see if you're on the naughty or nice list this year.
The name's Charlie, and let's not.
Well, Charlie, it is best to know ahead of time before you wake up on Christmas with coal in your stocking.
I'm an atheist. I don't celebrate Christmas. Now, Santa, please.
Right this way. Before you go in there, are you sure I can't get you some hot cocoa, a cookie, a reindeer ride?
Open the door, or you will be taken away for insubordination.
After you.
Mom, please don't laugh this time.
That was one time.
I told you not to laugh.
I hope you pee your pants again.
Jess, you've never looked more like yourself.
Ha ha, very funny.
Oh, you're so cute. Let me guess, you're Vixen. Comet? Blitzen?
I have a bright red nose.
Oh, you're Donner.
I'm Rudolph, Billie Jean. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I don't remember that one.
Please tell me you figured out who's controlling me.
I've been keeping my ears open, and I think I might have a lead.
Really? Spill.
Ronald, can I talk to you?
No.
Rude. Are you controlling your soulmate? No, I'm not the one controlling you if that's what you're thinking.
Then why did Billie Jean saw you drawing this in class when I was dressed as the Grinch just a few days ago?
We were all supposed to be drawing the Grinch. It was an assignment, and Billie Jean would have known that had she been listening instead of spying on me.
I'm gonna kill him.
Mom, Dad's not breathing.
What?
He just stopped.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be okay. I'm calling 911.
Okay, and when you do, tell them it's April Fool's.
Now, why would I tell them?
Sweetie, that's not something that we joke about on April Fool's Day.
Why are you standing there?
No reason.
Are you going to use the restroom?
No.
Okay, well, I am.
Sweetie, can you bring me some toilet paper? April Fools! That's not funny. Sweetie?
And how soon would the adoption take place? Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Just seeing what the adoption process was like in case someone in this family was misbehaving. Now, sweetie, it was
Hey, what's going on?
Mommy's putting you up for adoption.
She's what?
That is not what
April Fools!
She took my April Fool's joke. Okay, what's my first challenge? What the heck? Why can't I move my head to look at it? You can only evaluate the item with 1 sense? 1 sense? I didn't know I picked a sense. Okay. Okay, it's kind of smooth. And there's this weird piece of wood attached to it. I think it's real. Wrong? Dang it! Punishment? Whoa. Hold your monster panties. No one said anything about a punishment. Cut off a piece of my hair? At least hair grows back. But if I'm dead, it doesn't. Oh, when I thought dying would be the worst thing to happen to me today.
Becky? What's so funny?
Your costume. A witch with a bee? That's hilarious.
Can you just change it, please?
Oh, I'm not controlling you. I'm being controlled too. See? Whoever has me made me an elf.
But if you're not controlling me, then who is?
I don't know. But if you find them, let me know so I can thank them.
This costume should be on you. No offense.
Costume loading.
Finally! Am I Barbie? I knew that other costume must have been a fluke. Now this is more like me.
Yikes, Jess. 0 for 2.
What do you mean? I'm Barbie.
Yeah, weird, Barbie.
Say what now?
Didn't you look in the mirror?
No, I just assumed I was like hot disco Barbie. I've been strutting my stuff all over the school. Whoever has you, Billie Jean, must love you. I mean, first a princess and now a goddess.
I know, my costume rocks. Wait, you know who might know who has you?
Who? I cannot believe you took an extra Roblox gift card. Everyone was only supposed to take one.
Shh.
Nobody saw it. Don't draw attention to it.
Excuse me, Miss Peppa. I didn't get a gift card.
I'm sorry, Becky, but I'm all out of gift cards. I counted so everyone would get one, but I guess someone must have taken 2.
That's not fair. I'm getting to the bottom of this. Put a finger down if you've ever taken more than 1 gift card.
Good try, Becky, but the game doesn't listen to you.
It looks like it also wants to know who took an extra. Well, looks like we found the culprit.
I also took 2. Sorry, Miss Peppa. OMG! Miss Peppa, what happened to Sebastian? He must have only had 1 finger left.
Since when do you die when you only have 1 finger left? This was supposed to be the one game that isn't deadly.
Sometimes they update the rules without letting us know.
Yikes. More Roblox money for me, though.
Jackpot! Free food! Can't believe someone threw these apple slices away.
Hey, what are you doing?
Enjoying my lunch? What does it look like I'm doing?
Why are you eating out of the trash, though?
Because it's good and it's free.
Okay, your funeral.
My funeral? It's not like it's gonna kill me. Oh, let's...
Wait, where's my heartbeat? Oh no, I'm dead? Again?
Curse you, free food, for being so distractingly delicious.
Would you like to play a game of real or fake? What do I get if I win? A lifetime supply of eyeballs? You should lead with that next time. I'm in.
Mother has a daughter who gets married to the brother of a mother, and they all just trying to multiply with one another. 'Cause that's just the way of the world. It never ends till the end, and you start again. That's just the way of the world. That's just the way of the world. Someone in the world, they think they're working for themselves. They get up every day to go to work for someone else. Somebody works for them, and so they think they got it made. But they're all just working to get paid the very same. And so they keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dee-dum. They're gonna keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dee-dum-dum. And so they keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dee-dum, skiddly-dee-dee-dum.
Please don't be something embarrassing. Please don't be something embarrassing. Rhyme with every sentence? Ugh, I have repentance.
Hey, Jess.
Ben, nice dress.
Huh? I'm not wearing a dress. Anyways, how would you feel about getting some ice cream after school on Thursday?
After school, I have carpool.
Carpool? Oh, well, maybe I could come over after that.
Yeah, let's put that in the chat.
Are you feeling all right?
I'm feeling bright.
Well, that's good. Okay, about Thursday. I think I'm actually busy now. I totally forgot, but let's reschedule sometime.
Yeah, hopefully when I don't have to rhyme.
Wait, is it your challenge week?
No, I'm just a freak.
Oh, Sorry,
It was
choked.
a joke. Yes, it's my challenge week. This isn't how I normally speak.
I understand. We can reschedule. See you, Jess.
I'm a mess. This is perfect. I talk a lot. I tend to tune myself out. Talking and walking is really boring.
Hey, you stop talking. You're coming with us.
And is it possible to have a conversation with you because we are both talking at the same time and one of us needs to be listening, but none of us can listen because we're both talking and... Finally, what I was trying to tell you is this morning, David just randomly stopped talking and got taken away by the police. Like, why would you do that? You know the consequences.
Maybe he lost his voice like you did singing that one time.
I don't know. He seemed defiant on purpose.
You two are the last to know everything, aren't you?
What don't we know, Becky?
About the revolution? Tomorrow, everyone ages 18 to 28 are coming together to disobey the system.
But that doesn't explain why David got taken away today.
Yeah, it does. He got the date wrong.
Poor David.
So are you two in or not?
They chose corner 3. We're safe. I really did not think we were going to survive that one. Pick a corner. I need to find Billie Jean and see what she picked. Billie Jean, where are you?
Home. I ate the school waffles and did not feel good after.
Well, you still have to pick a corner, right? What are you gonna pick? I can't hear you. Just text me. Come on, Billie Jean.
Jess, you look stressed.
Everyone should be. Any of us could die at any moment.
Yeah, but fate is out of our control, so just relax.
Becky, I think that's the best advice you've ever given me.
Ew, don't make this weird. Later, freak.
And back to her usual self.
Error! You did not choose in time.
No. I could choose. I can be ready to choose.
You've been assigned corner 2.
But I picked 2 last time. Please, let me change it.
The chooser is picking.